Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video we're going to be going over our floating video app and its functionalities. So first, to create a floating video, we're going to go over here to the right and click on create project. Over here is where you can name your project. I'm just going to put a tutorial and also choose your video file. For this video I downloaded a little football player, and once your video is uploaded we can go over here and just create a new project. Your project is going to be added to your list over here, and we can go ahead and start editing it. On this page is where you can take off the background color over here with these two options. For example, if I want to pick a color, pick this green, most of it will be removed. This number over here is basically the amount of that color that you want to remove. So if I put this all the way up to, for example, 80, you can see that most of the green is going to get removed, like the rest of the green that have been left on the video. And once you remove the background, you can go over here, you can click on loop video if you want to loop it. You can go to autoplay. You can also set a delay before the video starts. For example, if I set this to 4, it would take 4 seconds for it to start. I'm just going to leave it at 0 so it goes instantly. I'm going to keep the last frame of the video, and I'm also going to disable sound. Next up, you can set up what happens when someone clicks the video. If you want to pause it, if you want to mute it, or do nothing. I'm going to select do nothing. And if you want a close button or a pause button, you can also have both. I'm not going to have any. I'm just going to leave this video floating on my website. Once you set up your information over here, you can click on save, and your floating video will be saved. Next thing you need to do is add it to your website. We're going to close this. And to edit to your website, you need to get the code. And over here on the code option, you can edit the height and the width of your video. And you can also edit it over here on the actual code if you wanted to. But to put it on your website, you're going to copy the iframe. And next we're going to go to our website to add it to our website. So we're going to go to editor. Over here we're going to go to apps, add an HTML box, edit it, and we're going to paste our code over here. Once you click confirm, the video should be added to our website. We can regulate it as we want to, like so. And if you want to change the height, I already showed you guys, but we're going to go back and you can change it to over here. For example, if I wanted to cut it in half, I would set 320 and 240. Once I click OK, this information would change. I can just copy it again, edit it, and paste the new code. Once I click confirm, my video will be shortened to the size that I set it to. And after that, I can edit it, put it anywhere on my website that I would see fit. And this is how you create a floating video. This is going to be it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day.